Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mango School channel. In today's video, we're diving into a hot topic, the TVMax antenna. You might have seen ads online claiming that this device gives you access to 100 plus free HD TV channels, and it works within a 120 plus mile radius. But is it really worth your time, or is it just another scam? Let's find out. TVMax promises that it can provide you with over 100 free channels, that's right, free TV. No monthly fees, no contracts, and you don't have to worry about expensive cable bills anymore. Sounds too good to be true, right? Before we dive into the real reviews, let's take a look at the claims the TVMax make. According to their advertisements, this antenna works within a 120 plus mile radius and can pick up signals from local broadcast towers, even in areas with weak signals. The promise is clear. All you need is this antenna and you'll have access to tons of free, crystal clear HD TV channels. I decided to dig deeper and see if these claims hold up. So, after some research, I found something interesting. TVMax seems to be incredibly similar to another antenna that's been making waves. The WaveMax TV antenna. People on Amazon and other review sites have been talking about WaveMax, and it's been receiving some mixed feedback. Some users say it didn't perform as advertised. In fact, many reported they couldn't pick up the number of channels they were promised, and the signal strength was weaker than expected. This brings us back to the big question. Is the TVMax antenna a scam, or is it just another case of overhyped advertising? Now, let's break it down. Here's what I found after checking out both products. While it's true that over-the-air antennas can work for some people, the actual performance can depend heavily on where you live. Factors like the distance from broadcast towers, the terrain, and even the time of year can impact how well these antennas work. People who live in urban areas or closer to broadcast towers tend to get better results. But if you're living in a rural or hilly area, you might not see the same success. The 120 plus mile claim could be a stretch in some cases. You may not get 100 plus channels, and the ones you do get might not be in the quality you're hoping for. Looking at reviews for both TVMax and WaveMax, it seems that many users are feeling misled by the advertising. People who expected free, high-definition channels were often disappointed by fuzzy pictures, fewer channels than promised, or weak signals. It's important to keep expectations realistic and know that antenna performance can vary. So, is the TVMax antenna a scam? Not exactly. But it's definitely not the miracle device it claims to be. It might work for some people, but if you live far from broadcast towers, or if there's a lot of interference in your area, you could be disappointed with the results. If you're considering buying it, I recommend doing some more research and checking out reviews from people who live in similar areas to yours. At the end of the day, over-the-air antennas can be a great way to get free TV, but be cautious of exaggerated claims. So, what do you think? Have you tried the TVMax antenna or the WaveMax? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Mango School channel for more tech reviews and tips. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.